And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2024 in practice chapter 2 independent project. We will go to MC Grahil Simnet and we will go to Excel portion and we will go to Excel 2024 in practice chapter 2 independent project 2 to 4. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course deal on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, MyLab Management, Business classes, Writing courses, Literature courses, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. If you need help in any class, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do for you complete class with A plus grade. So, we will go to Excel 2024 and practice chapter 2 independent project 2 to 4 download, click the start file link, then complete the project using the instructions below. Okay, required start file. We will click on this button and file will be downloaded in our PC download folder. Okay, skill, you can see here skill covered in this project. Okay, skill covered in this project. You can see all the skill, name, cell range, built-in XLOOKUP function, create, copy, and edit function. You can see this all skill we will cover in this project. Under this step, to complete this project, we will must complete these steps to complete this project. Question number 1 is here. Okay. Open the workbook Central Server 2 XLS Syra. Okay, sorry. Central Syra 2 XLS start file. If the workbook open in protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the file project name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Okay. First we will go to our Excel workbook. We will go to our download folder and we will open our Excel workbook which we download from MC Grail Simnet website. You can see here I am going to opening my Excel workbook. We will click on enable editing button because this is in protected view. So moving on, question number 2. Okay. In question number 2, compare the commission amount on the commission sheet and the commissions label listed on the table sheet. They are not exact matches. Okay, we will go to commission sheet. Okay, compare the commission amounts. Okay, they are not matches. So question number 2 is done. Question number 3, select the table sheet, select cell A1 to B6 and create range names using the create from selection button. We will go to table sheet and we will select this range A1 to B6. A1 to B6, we will select this range is selected right now. So we will create range names using the create from selection button formulas tab in the define names group. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, go to the home tab, go to the formulas tab. In the define names group, click on create from selection button. So we will click on OK. So moving on, question number 4, you can see on my laptop screen. I am going to do question number 4. In question number 4, create an XLOOKUP function to display the bonus rate. If XLOOKUP is not available, bid the following for the XLOOKUP into E5 table A2 to B 6 to leave the range lookup argument empty so that we look or find the closest match. Simply we will create a XLOOKUP function. Okay, we will go to point A of question number 5. 4. Click the commission sheet tab and select cell F5. Select cell F5. Point B of question number 4. Start the XLOOKUP function and use cell E5 as the lookup value. We will press is equal to in cell F5 and we will enter a XLOOKUP function in cell F5. Okay, and press is equal into XLOOKUP function. Okay, E5 and use cell E5 as the lookup value. Point C is that for the lookup array argument use the commission level range. Commission level range. For the lookup array argument use commission level range. We will select this commission level range. So point C is done. Point D, for the return array argument use the bonus rate range. For the return array argument use the bonus rate range. We will select bonus rate range, enter dollar sign. Okay, bonus rate range. One second. Now we will enter VLOOKUP function. Okay, you can see bonus rate is shown. For the return array argument use the bonus rate range. This is done. Point D, type 1 for the matches mode argument, display the next level. Okay, you can see this is good. Format the result as a percent style with 2 decimal places. Format a percent style 2 decimal places. Go to the home tab in the number group. Number we will apply percent style and 2 decimal places. Okay, so point G is that copy the formula in cell F5 to cell F6 to F14. Okay, this is good. So moving on, question number 5. Set order of operation to calculate the commission and bonus totals. Select cell G5. This total is the dollar amount of the commission plus the dollar amount times the bonus rate. Select cell G5. This total is the dollar amount of the commission plus that dollar amount. Press is equal to. Okay, E5 plus into E5 plus F5. This is formula you can see in the picture. Formula is given in the picture. So we will enter this formula in our Excel workbook. Select cell G5. We will go to our Excel workbook and we will select cell G5. Then we will enter this formula. Alternative formula is E5 multiplying by commission into 1 plus F5. 1 plus bonus rate. Okay, this is alternative formula, but this is good formula is that commission plus into commission plus bonus rate. Commission multiplying by bonus rate, sorry. Commission multiplying by bonus rate. Okay. This is the good formula. Okay, you can see commission into commission plus bonus rate and we will press enter. It will be show commission and with bonus. So point B is done. Point C, format the result to show 0 decimal places. Okay, we will show the result to 0 decimal places. Go to the home tab in the number format. Go to the home tab in the number group. Click on decimal places. We will set on 0 decimal places. Okay, this is done. Point D, copy the formula in cell G5 to cell G6 to G14. Okay, this is also done. So I am going to do question number 6 of this project. Create and copy of sum if function to calculate total earning by branch office. Point A of question number 6, select cell E18. Select cell E18. Okay, select cell E18. Then we will start the sum if function with cell D5 to D14 is cell absolute reference as the range argument. We will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell E18, press is equal to into sum if function. Sum if function into range is given D5 to D14. Range is D5 to D14 using absolute cell reference into dollar sign. Okay, criteria. Set the criteria argument as a relative reference to cell C18. This is this point C of question number 6. Criteria cell C18. Okay. Criteria is this C cell C18. Okay, this is good. Then this point is done. Point D is determine the sum range argument and make the reference absolute. Okay, 1 second. You can see determine the sum range argument and make the references absolute. Okay, sum range. We will start this commission column E5 to E14 using absolute set of enter dollar sign $E$5 to $E$14. This is the range, sum range. Okay, $E5 and $E$14. Okay, you can see range is D5 to D14. We will enter dollar sign for absolute set references and criteria C18 and sum ranges E5 to E14. Also its absolute set references, enter dollar sign, click on OK button. It will be show commission par. So point E, copy the formula to the range E19 to E20. E Okay, E19 to E20 without formatted to preserve border. So point F format cell E18 to E21 as a currency with 0 decimal places. We will select this cell E18 to E20 and go to the home tab in the number group. We will apply currency format, open number dialog box, apply currency format with 0 decimal places. So total point G total these amount in cell E21. Press is equal to into sum into E18 to E20 and we will press enter. It will be show total amount in cell E21. Okay, this question is done. You can see on my laptop screen I have done this question so well. Please contact me if you need help in any project and if you want to deal for this complete MCGRA seminar course I can do for you with A plus grade. Okay, I can do all online courses. So question number 7 is that calculate the average single mode and median value in cell E22, E23, E24 for the totals in column G. Okay, average we will enter average single mode and median in E22, E23, E24 for the total in column G. Okay, we will go to Excel workbook. We will click on cell E20 to press is equal to enter average function in cell E22 and we will find average. Then E23 we will enter press is equal to enter average function into G5 to G14 and we will press enter. It will be show average. So next we will enter single mode and median value. Press is equal to enter mode function. Enter mode function. Double click on this blue box. Okay, this blue box. Mode function and commission with bonus we will G5 to G14 is the range. We will press enter. So median press is equal to median function. Double click on this blue box. Okay, G5 to G14. Press enter. So I have done 7 questions of this project. You can see on my laptop screen. If you need help in this complete project or you want to deal for this complete MCGRA SimNet course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I can do for you this complete course. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access with A plus grade. I am handling other student courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.